Welcome to this demo by ZIA for Buildings. Today, I'm going to introduce the ZIA Facilities Management tool. I'm going to focus on specific features, including the guided process features, project management features, and ongoing tracking features. ZIA's Facilities Management tool is a comprehensive web-based tool designed for daily use in managing, tracking, and improving your sustainable facility operations and maintenance practices. You can transfer data directly to Lead Online for your LEED-EB operations and maintenance certification, and you can also map your data directly to Energy Star. This removes any burden of keeping your data up to date on 3 websites. I'm going to start by giving you an orientation of the home page. This top section contains primary information about your building and some specific tools for project management. This second section shows all of the tasks that have been assigned to my team or to myself. As project manager, I get to see everything. Finally, we move to the categories section. Categories are arranged into functional groups so that the person assigned to each category knows the most about it and is in control of it inside of my building. For instance, Genevieve Green is my green cleaning vendor, and she is in charge of the green cleaning module and all of the associated documentation. Lastly, we have the Key Performance Indicators section. This is the dashboard that shows my current performance of specific metrics. Now, I'm going to move into the next thing I want to show you about ZIA, which is how we guide you through the process of documenting your building practices. And if I was signed in as Genevieve Green, I would only be able to see my tasks here. As the project manager, again, I can see everything. We're going to go into the green cleaning policy, and here's how ZIA works. We take you through question by question of how you need to document something. So we're going to start here at number 1. Here's a first question. ZIA provides information on the right side to help you answer the question on the left. Question types are very common: multiple choice, fill in the blank, or calculators. Up here, ZIA provides help in many different ways. We have the LEED reference guide, the LEED policy model, LEED guidance, and module info. We always have the help function available to you. I'm going to answer this question and press save and continue to move to the next question. Here's the LEED policy model. Again, a white help function here, and it shows up on the right side to help you answer the question on the left. Here's the LEED guidance. Again, this is specific information in the LEED rating system that you need to know about documenting, in this case, your green cleaning policy. Here, I'm going to upload my green cleaning policy. To do this, I just follow the straightforward method and press upload. When I save this into ZIA, it's going to overwrite this document. This is important because we don't want to archive documents in ZIA. We want the most up-to-date information in ZIA. With that, I've shown you how ZIA guides you through the process of documenting your green cleaning policy. We provide you a lot of supplemental information and key tools that will help you in meeting LEED standards. We're back to the green cleaning page, and I want to show you something important since we just uploaded a document into ZIA. That will live inside the question where I uploaded it, and it will also appear here in the document library. As you can see, I can always delete it and go back and upload a new one. Now that I've showed you how ZIA guides you through the process of documenting your building practices, now I'm going to show you a really important part of project management, which is the tasking. So as Genevieve Green, I've been assigned a number of activities that I need to do on a regular basis. These tasks are here, and they're also listed on my home page. Now, these particular tasks, so I'm going to open our green cleaning policy again. So say something needs to be done on a question, I can create a task, and it will save the location of this task to that particular question inside of ZIA. So I can write a description, set a deadline, and assign it to myself or anyone else. If it's a reoccurring task, say it needs to occur every month, I can set that as well. Now again, what's going to happen once I set this task is Genevieve, or me for this example, I'm going to get an email that's going to tell me when to come back to ZIA and do this particular task. So again, inside the question, the tasks appear here, and inside of the application on the home pages, you'll see the tasks listed here. Now, if you want to look at any of these tasks, you just simply click on it. It's going to tell you what I'm supposed to do. I can update the status of it, reassign it, or add notes. When I click update, it's going to save to ZIA. Also, if I want to go to the place in ZIA where this task lives, I simply click on this task itself and it'll take me to the exact question that I need to answer. Now I'm going to move on and show you some of the ongoing tracking features that we've built in to ease the process of documenting things like purchases on a regular basis. I'm going to go into my Sustainable Cleaning Supplies module. This is a calculator. Now, as usual, ZIA prepared me to enter all my data on my green cleaning supplies with questions preceding. I've already entered data into this calculator, but I'm going to show you how I would add information to it. Say I decided to buy a new supply. So the first part of this calculator is building a master supply list. And here are all of the supplies that I buy on a regular basis. I'm going to add a supply. This particular type is just a basic cleaner. It made screen sale 37, and I buy it for $38 a case. I'm going to upload the MSDS cut sheet. And I'm going to add the supply. Now, this is going to add the supply to my master supply list. So every time I purchase this, I'm not going to have to go in and press all this information on the particular material. So now that's been added to my list, and I'm going to leave my master supply list. So say it is March 1st, and I just got the bill from GSI with my purchases from last month. So I am going to enter what I purchased in February. Now, in February, I purchased this and this. So all I have to do inside of ZIA is change the quantities, and then everything is calculated for me. I press Enter Purchases, and this will be saved into my calculator. You can also pull reports and look at your data from any period of time. It defaults to the last 90 days. However, I can pull anything that I want. I'm going to pull from January 2013. And everything that appears here is based upon the parameters I set here prior to pushing the report button. So I'm back signed in as the project manager, and as the project manager, I just received my utility bills. And I want to update ZIA with a lot of information about my energy use. So here I am inside my energy meter reportings calculator. And I'm going to click on meter readings. Here is all of the energy data I've entered in the past. And here's the cool part. By clicking on Batch Uploads and downloading this Excel template, all I have to do is put my energy information, copy and paste it into here, follow the specific directions on what format I use, and then, once I've saved that file, all I have to do is select that file and press Process. With that, all of the contents inside of that Excel sheet are going to load into the ZIA calculator. In closing, this tool is designed to make a building team's life a lot easier. We guide you through the documentation, allow you to skip late online, and help you with your project management. Thanks for watching this demo.